Hello, I'm Matt, and I would like to welcome you to the channel. If today is your first visit to our channel, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will know when we upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I grill my turkey burger and my wife's bacon cheddar burger on our gas grill. This is one of the meals I would typically eat in my Deciding for Life system that I have used to lose 70 pounds without working out and while still eating foods that I love. I am also going to show some photographs of some additional meals that I typically eat with my Deciding for Life system. My purpose for showing all of these pictures of different meals that I eat with my Deciding for Life system is to show that you don't necessarily have to eat what most people think are diet foods to still lose weight. I have been able to eat what most people would call typical dinners and still lose weight. When many people think of diet foods, they think of salads and carrots and maybe even tofu. But with my personality, none of those foods would work. So I'm going to show you some of the meals that I ate while using my Deciding for Life system that allowed me to lose 70 pounds without working out and while still eating foods that I love. But first, let's get on to grilling these burgers. I start by firing up the gas grill. Now normally I would cook this on high, but in order to get temperature readings with a digital thermometer, I've turned it down a bit, which in the end takes me quite a bit longer to cook these two burgers. And you may notice they're a little bit frozen. The burger on top is my turkey burger, and the burger on bottom is my wife's bacon cheddar burger, both bought from Walmart, and I add a seasoning mix to our taste. Some may look down at cooking frozen burgers, but for me, it's convenient and quick, or normally quick. This one actually takes quite a while. I cook them on the first side for about 8 minutes, and then I flip them over and season the other side, where I will cook them for another 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I start checking them with a digital thermometer, and I continue cooking them for about 2 minutes per side until I get to my desired temperature. In this case, for YouTube, I'm going to 165 degrees. You may be wondering why I'm cooking two types of burgers. Well, I like the turkey burger, especially on my system day, and my wife likes the bacon cheddar burger. And the way I do my Deciding for Life system, I cook what each of us likes. It is kind of a key to doing a system like this because you have to be able to eat what you need to eat, irregardless of what the other people in your household like to eat. But as you can see, we make it work. Turning this temperature down sure is taking a lot longer, but it is keeping me from getting my arm burnt. And now to show a few pictures of what we normally eat for dinner. In this picture you can see that we had green beans, a rice dish from a box, and grilled haddock. In this picture you can see that we had pickled beets, that rice dish from a box again, and some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now, most people wouldn't think of chicken thighs as being something that you can eat while you're trying to lose weight, but I have been able to eat chicken thighs and lose weight. This dish is basically the same as the previous picture, except instead of the rice, we had a baked potato cooked in the microwave. This dinner has pickled beets, grilled salmon, grilled on the gas grill, which you can see a video that I've done previously, as well as home fries. Now, most people wouldn't think about eating home fries while trying to lose weight, but I have been able to eat home fries and still lose weight. Pickled beets, grilled salmon, and a baked potato again, once again baked in the microwave. Lately, we've kind of had a thing for pickled beets, as you can see in this picture, but this is our boneless, skinless chicken thighs once again, this time with new potatoes. And sometimes my wife eats up her leftovers from Texas Roadhouse while I eat fish, beets, and a baked potato. Another plate with pickled beets, skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and home fries. And on this final meal, we had broccoli, breaded haddock, and a baked potato. My whole point with showing all of these pictures is to show that a person can lose weight without eating salads or tofu. These are the typical types of meals I eat during the day. Now back to grilling these hamburgers. Now I'm starting the process of checking the temperature on each burger and cooking it for 2 extra minutes on each side until I get it to my desired temperature. Normally this process takes me only about 18 minutes, but because I turned the grill down this time so I could try to get better video, it took almost a half an hour. With all that being said, I must give a disclaimer. I am not a medical professional and I give no medical advice. My goal with these videos and my YouTube channel, as well as my book, Deciding for Life, How I Lost 70 Pounds Without Working Out and While Still Eating Foods That I Love, is to inspire others to find a healthy way to lose weight. Not necessarily the Deciding for Life way, because this system may not be healthy for you and your medical conditions. Before you attempt anything that you see in any of my videos or you read in my book, please consult with your doctor, as some things that may be healthy for me and my health may not be healthy for you and your health conditions. Typically, while I'm cooking the burgers, my wife is cooking the vegetable and carbohydrates. As you can see in my pictures and in this video, my wife and I don't necessarily eat the same foods all the time. I've heard many people say that they are unable to lose weight because of their spouse. The reality in life is one's health is one's own responsibility. And if a person can communicate effectively with their spouse, they can find ways to work it out, like my wife Melanie and I have. Usually the burgers get done at the same time, but this time, because I have the grill turned down so low, it didn't quite work out that way. So I continue flipping the turkey burger every 2 minutes until I get it to 165 degrees internal temperature. This next-gen grill certainly isn't one that I would recommend. The temperature on the grill is not very even from back to front, especially when you turn it down, but it still gets the job done. Finally, 165 degrees, yay! Time to do a little cleanup. I used my homemade whole wheat toast for my burger, and yeah, it was a little bit frozen, but it still comes out great after it gets a little toasting. And now for the best part, the Carolina Reaper cheese. This stuff is just awesome, if you like hot stuff. And yes, I use full-fat cheese for my Deciding for Life system. Time to melt my cheese. Yeah, I know I could have done that on the grill, but this is just easier. I really like the microwave. And here is my glamour shot. And yes, we had pickled beets again, with a baked potato cooked in the microwave. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. If you know somebody that this video could be helpful to, please share. If you have a question or a comment, please leave it in the comment section, and I will give you a quick reply. Thanks for watching, and may you have an awesome and healthier and lighter day.